So he's gonna be putting the sand, and I'm gonna be making the animal zoo over here. So this is all the sand pit, and the animals, basically they love sand and they want to jump in the sand pit. So we're gonna go to that later. For now, oh, the parents just finished up the train, so we have to move it with our hand. Whoa, look at all the sand things. It's a lot of sand. I said a lot. Let's keep the sand now. Set the animals. See, so these people are sitting. Yay, we want to go. Okay, wait a second. Let's first fix things. So these are all the dinosaur. What's it called? Dinosaur place? Dinosaurs. And then we've got an elephant. Can you make an elephant? So this is the elephant. Trees. And this is all sand on my hands. Oh no, the sand under the train tracks. The train tracks slip. It'll fall. Panda. Wolf is really sleepy. He wants to sleep. Oh, I'm so sleepy, I can't stand. Even giraffe is sleepy. Oh, I'm sleepy. And this is a chimpanzee. Let's keep the chimpanzee here. Now look, we are done. Now let's put some animals in the middle. Alright, can I have some animals, please? So, there are zebras. Hi. Oh, some animals. Zebra's so sleepy. Let's put the zebra to sleep. Zebra. Okay, this is a cow. Cows are not in zoos, but basically this is a farmland zoo. The goat. This is called a yak. Also, it can be called a yak. A goat is a different. Oh, polar bear. He's in the cold place. Let's give him some ice. Get ice. What I need. Antelope is also sleepy, but antelope can stay awake. There's only one tree in the whole desert. Only one tree. Because deserts are so dry, they don't even have trees. Because there's no trees, no water. There's a duck in the pond. You know, there are oases in deserts. So the duck is in one of the oases. So an oasis is a smaller than a pond place. So basically it's an oasis. If a place is smaller than a pond, then it's called an oasis. Welcome back! So, now the tram is going. And now the night safari car is going in the desert. So now he's near the car. Oh, listen to the announcement. Now here we are with in the zoo. Next stop will be the desert. Oh, we're going to the desert. Yay! Listen to the desert. We're going to the zoo very soon. So this is the desert. This is a dog and this is a milky duck. And let's go to the zoo. The car is driving on the train track. This is the zoo. Oh, do you know that a small pond is called an oasis? So, an oasis is basically a smaller than a lake. Look, let's return back to the zoo. And look everywhere. Look out, dinosaurs! Let's not go past them. But we need to. The zoo whack in the desert. Hey, come back, man! The cheetah goes to find the tiger again. Tigers! I don't know why. Yeah, come back! No! Ah! No way! Come in the sand. Let me go out. Beep, beep, beep! Wow! Roar! Roar! Ah, the dinosaurs! I don't want to look! Me neither! The dinosaur tiger come back. Uh-oh. Now look! The mommy is on the floor. He falls down on whoopee whoopee sands. Yay! Wow! Mommy body is broken. How are we gonna get her to the animal hospital? There's an animal in the hospital? He is the doctor, the cow. So the night safari car brings the mother to the cow. Hey cow, doctor! Now, you know sand is like ice, so we'll just put for the polar bear. Around the polar bear. So, see this is what the polar bear got. Elephants and tigers. And this is a horse. And now he's racing. And the panda. Go back. He wants to get some of these. So let's go to Let's go in the night safari car game. We'll go on a train track. Now we have dinosaur prints. Oh no! This is dinosaur in the desert. So I'll show you one more thing. See? So this is a board. Dinosaur tracks. It's a tree. What's this? Where's the dinosaur? This is a baby monkey. Baby monkey. Animal sand. Big elephant coming your way. Look, another T-Rex is all the mommy coming. Look, T-Rex eat all the sand on the floor. This is a froggy. Froggy jumping to you. Spider. Butterfly. See, now the dinosaur is eaten, and then the ice safari car found it. Then he asked the dinosaur not to eat some more sand. And all the other dinosaurs were sad that T-Rex went away to the desert. So one dinosaur said, I'm tired of waiting for him to come. I'm going there. Hey, T-Rex, come back. No. I'm in.